सबसे प्यारी मेरी टीचर रोज हमें पढ़ाती है, संग हमारे खेले कूदे फिर भी वो मुस्कुराती है। मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब वो ऑनलाइन क्लास पढ़ाती है। सबसे प्यारी मेरी टीचर रोज मुझे पढ़ाती है। आई लव माई टीचर। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
My name is Anushka Bindal from class 6A. Today I am here to deliver a message for my respected teacher. I begin my message with a beautiful slok. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। अर्थात गुरु और ईश्वर दोनों ही मेरे सामने खड़े हैं। मैं सबसे पहले किसके चरण छूऊं? हे गुरु, आप धन्य हैं जिसने मुझे ईश्वर से मिलने का रास्ता बताया है, इसलिए मैं सबसे पहले आपके ही चरण छूऊंगी। शिक्षा देने वाले ईश्वर से भी बड़े होते हैं। टीचर्स डे celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. It is celebrated to commemorate his birthday. He was a great president, a great scholar and excellent teacher. It is held in all schools. In various schools, functions are held like dancing, singing, speeches, etc. Students give cards, gifts to their teacher. They dress up like their favorite teacher. Teacher is like our parents, our guides and our friends. So a big thank you to all my teachers and happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected principal ma'am, all the adorable teachers and dear friend. As we know that today we are celebrating Teachers Day, myself Janvi Tyagi, student of 7th F, would like to say few words on this special occasion. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September, which is birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a teacher. When students approached Radhakrishnan to celebrate his birthday, he replied that instead of celebrating my personal birthday, if you dedicate the day to tribute the whole teaching profession. Ever since 5th September was celebrated as Teachers Day to pay honor to our teacher for their endless effort in shaping students. Teachers are pillar of the country who play an important role and help us to reach our aim. This contribution is not only limited to school, but it extends to society and country. It is profession that create all other profession. I am fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you show, that make you the world's best teacher. I would like to thank to all my teachers for their endless effort they put to educate us. I end my speech with these beautiful lines: Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudev.
साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। हुनर को हमारे तुमने तराशा, आँखों में झांकी तुमसे ही आशा, इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखे।
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impossible contributions in shaping us every year. 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in remembrance of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. The teachers are the sources of knowledge and wisdom. From them, we leads the idea and thought that one day each of us will use to provide back into this society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless services and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Now, let's see what are the qualities that our teacher have.
I am Aksha from class 9E and I am the student of Dayasri Public School. As you know, today is the occasion of Teachers' Day. So first of all, I want to say Happy Teachers' Day to our loving, hardworking and caring teachers. Now I want to show you my presentation on Teachers' Day. So let's start. I am happy that you are my teacher. I enjoy each lesson you teach. As my role model, you inspire me to dream and to work and to reach. With your kindness, you get my attention. Every day you are planting a seed of curiosity and motivation to work and to grow and to succeed. You help me to fulfill my potential. I am thankful for all that you have done. I admire you each day and I just want to say, as a teacher, you are number one. Happy Teachers' Day and thank you to watch this presentation.
A very pleasant morning to all. I am Vaishnavi Rana from class 60. Today, on the occasion of this wonderful day, I am going to deliver a speech to the respected teachers. As you all know that teachers are so special for the students. Their love, care and dedication is the specific part of this dynamic speciality. During the pandemic, online classes are the only way to study and it is not an easy task. But their hard work and devotion has made it successful. So it is my submission to all honorable teachers as a poem. Thank you teachers for reaching deep in me to find all I can be before I can see it myself. You never gave up on me. I have a future because of you. Thank you teachers for reaching deep in me. A happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
Who plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. That's teacher. Happy Teachers' Day to all teachers. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Udishi Jarat of class 9th, have got an opportunity to express gratitude from the core of my heart to all teachers who are next to God and my parents for me. Actually, a teacher cannot be defined in words. Teachers are the sculptors who carve beautiful idols out of rough stone. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill the love for learning. With a special gift for learning and with a heart that deeply cares. Every life you touched, you sparked the creativity in the students whom you taught. and help them strive for goals that could not be bought. You are such special teacher that no words can truly tell. However much you are valued for the work you do so well. Teacher is the only person who serves the society in real manner. Dear teachers, thanks for making me what I am today. Happy Teachers' Day to all teachers. Thank you.
Hello, I am Anura from class 6F. Today, I am going to thank our teachers who are mentor, creator, advisor, and most important thing, a helper. Respected teachers, you have made a difference and shaped us. You always motivate and lead us to make our future bright. Dear teachers, you gave us wings to fly. We would be nothing without you. You are like magician who uses the magic words to help us to make our life easier and more fruitful. Dear teachers, it's my gratitude to you that you always work so very hard for us. You are incredible. Thank you, dear loving and caring teachers. Happy to
Respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. A very pleasant morning to all of you. I am Swasti Jain and I am from class 10th A. Today, I am here to express my heartiest gratitude to all the teachers. I feel so lucky to have teachers like you. Thank you for helping me to express my creative side and come out of my shell. You have given me a confidence that is priceless. Under your guidance, I have not only become a better student, but also a better child, sibling, and friend. Thank you for helping me grow. It takes patience, endurance, and talent to be a teacher. But you make it look so easy day after day. I hope you know just how much we all appreciate you. We are all so lucky to have you as our teachers who make learning so much fun. Thank you for all the extraordinary things you do. Thank you for everything. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends, a very pleasant morning to all of you. I am Vachika Jain from class 7D, and today I am here to express my heartiest gratitude to all the respected teachers. Thank you for being the best teacher in the world. You inspired in me a love for learning and made me feel like I could ask you anything. You always have the patience for my questions and know just how to explain the answers. My fond memories of the time in your classroom will last a lifetime. Thank you for being a truly outstanding teacher. Your passion for teaching and your dedication to your students is obvious in everything you do. I hope you know the priceless impact that you are making in so many lives. I feel so truly lucky to have a teacher who shows all of the care, understanding, and patience as you do. Thank you for everything.
Good morning, respected teachers. I am Radhatal of class 8E, going to deliver a message on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Wishing you joy and happiness. You all are the amazing teacher and you all deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle to my life. I am deeply thankful that you all are my teachers. Books, sports, homework and knowledge. You all are the pillar of our success, and in the classroom, you all are the best. A teacher nourishes the soul of a child for a lifetime. A teacher presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future. I am grateful to be a student. The way you have been sharing your knowledge with me for all these years made you all the most special teachers for me. I have no words to thank you. Dear teachers, thanks for supporting and enlightening all my way. If only I could have you blessings for a lifetime, I would succeed the way I have done always. Have a wonderful Teachers' Day. Thank you.